internet. I am one Anonymous. I decided to make a video voicing my support for Anonymous. At first I did not know what Anonymous was, what it believes, what Anonymous is doing, and more importantly, what it can accomplish. My curiosity of the internet superconsciousness known as Anonymous has led me to commit research. Anonymous is a collective of individuals united by an awareness. We promote the truth, promote free speech, stand up against human injustice. We fight corrupt corporations and protest governments who bastardize freedom. We oppose censorship. We have no country, no leaders. We lack organization and go where we are needed. We are your friends. We are your family. We can be anyone and we can be nobody. We are you. We are not a selective group of individuals, but rather an idea, a meme spread across the world through peaceful protest. Our ideology is simple, though we have many. You cannot stop the flow of the internet. Knowledge is free, and free speech is non-negotiable. Anonymity is our greatest weapon. As one Anonymous, I questioned the solidarity of many reports stated back when Anonymous was young. Emerging from 4chanB in 2003 and spreading across the web. The infancy of Anonymous was wild. We were malicious hackers. We were frauds. We reportedly stole people's identities and used them for lols. We attacked racism. We brought a pedophile to justice. We stopped the abuse of a defenseless cat. We cyber-attacked credit card companies. The name of Anonymous was known by the childish crimes and videos of many. But, to one Anonymous, all of this has become trivial. Current events happening throughout the world have shown the outstanding effect that Anonymous can have. We have answered the plights of those who want nothing more than to be heard. We stand with the honest few who fight the corrupt many. Anonymous has matured, and its maturity embodies the human public. Nothing is guiding us, except you. The outrage of the collective individual perpetuates our campaign for awareness. I am new to Anonymous. I have much to learn. I do not speak for Anonymous as a whole in my closing statements, only for myself. I'm prejudiced towards an idea that strips the rights away from individuals who do not indulge. I'm prejudiced towards an idea that pushes towards a hierarchy determined by one's genitalia. I'm prejudiced towards an idea that warps a person's morality, leading them to believe the slaughter of innocent men, women, and children can ever be justified. It's because of my predisposition and rejection to think otherwise that I support Anonymous. I cannot help Anonymous directly by protesting. I reside too far away. Therefore I have chosen to support the Anonymous ideology of nonviolent protest and spreading awareness indirectly. I will talk about freedom of speech. I will talk about the truth. I will talk about censorship. I will talk about WikiLeaks and the cult of Scientology. To my friends, to my family, I will promote your sites. I will promote your message. I will leave behind your card. I will stamp my money for Anonymous. I will defend free speech till the day my status update changes to away forever. We are Anonymous, and so are you. We are Legion. Do not forgive. Do not forget. Expect us. We came for justice. You should have expected us. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. You should have expected us. should have expected us.
We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget.
You should have expected us.